Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So I came on the very biggest hiring from the NVIDIA. So finally one of the important hiring has been announced from the NVIDIA, and that is the next 2026. So registrations start from 20th March 2026, and it will end, or it will basically happen till 15 May 2026. But I suggest make sure to apply as soon as possible, because any time link can expire, and basically if you will apply earlier, then you will get assessment and all those things first. So this is basically a direct test hiring, and strong, or what can I say, 100% reward of getting the back. Okay, means you will get reward from this company. So India, NVIDIA, Bangalore, and Graphics India Private Limited. So what is the description? So next, that is the NVIDIA Exceptional Talent is an unparalleled program designed to recruit outstanding engineer graduate nationwide. So if you are the graduate and if you want to work with NVIDIA, that is one of the good company you know very well. So then this is a wonderful opportunity. So next, focus on simplifying and democratizing and otherwise hard to find job opportunity designed in true NVIDIA sprint. And talking a little bit more about the process and the registration things. Okay, so process is 2 round of online technical test via HackerRank. So HackerRank platform means, I think most of the candidates are aware with HackerRank. So IBM hiring is also happen in HackerRank platform. Okay, so this will be followed by 2 round of discussion for candidates who clear the test. Means first of all there will be 2 round of online technical test, and whenever the test will happen, I will also provide update related to that, no need to worry. But make sure to practice all the DSA question, okay, because DSA play a critical role in selection. Okay, so those who will clear the test, then there will be 2 round of discussion. So for discussion you should have good communication skill आपका अच्छा रहना चाहिए. Okay, and selected candidates will be offered full-time new college graduate NGC position in hardware engineering group and NVIDIA. So we'll basically offer FT, that is full-time offer, and this is a wonderful opportunity. Everyone should apply and share this link with your friends. Okay, now friends, talking a little bit more about the dates and the things timeline. Okay, so registration start date 20 March 11 a.m. and registration end date 3rd April 11 p.m. So next basic test क्या 12th April. There will be test that will be on analytical reasoning, problem solving, and basic technical skill test, that is 8:30 p.m. So उतना complex level भी नहीं होता, but yeah, you have to work hard. And those who are preparing for the NQT, then you are free, or you can say you are good to go for this important opportunity. That's why the reason I'm strongly means focusing on NQT, that if you will prepare for the NQT, you will be eligible for, or you will be in good position for Cognizant, Accenture, or any company hiring, because most every company basically aptitude play a critical role. So you should work on this. Okay, and we regularly post lots of important jobs so you can apply. Okay, now coming to some most important things about the eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria? So open to BTech and MTech student graduating in 2026, and those who are graduating in 2026, only those are applicable, and you should be from BTech and MTech background. Okay, since they haven't mentioned any basically department, then if you are from EC, electrical, mechanical, all branches are eligible. Okay, and must have strong academic record in relevant field and passionate for technology and innovations. Means you should have just interest in this, and CGPA is 7.5 and above. Okay, so those who are following our YouTube channel, I think I already provided that you should maintain basic 7.5 or 7 CGPA above, then only you will be eligible for almost every job. Okay, and you can say this is one of good company and billionaire company, and they are just putting the criteria of 7.5. So you should maintain this kind of CGPA. Okay, now rules is what participation in the event is subject to sole description of the organization, and organizer reserve the right to determine the final decision. Means if you will involve any malpractices and all those stuff, then you will basically directly disqualify. So this is a wonderful opportunity, everyone should apply. Coming to the important opportunity, this is also a direct test kind of hiring, that is Incodo. They are hiring for the AI Innovation Challenge 2026, and round 1 from March 27 5 p.m. to March 29 11 p.m. So eligibility, just to go through it. So BTech from 2025 to 2026 batch, both are eligible, and job location for selected candidates Gurgaon or Pune. Means if you will selected, you will get the job at Gurgaon and Pune. So candidate from all location can participate, and you can get CTC up to 18 LPA. So this is also a wonderful opportunity, and this is a good company. Okay, they work on various sector: banking, payment, wealth management, telecom, high tech, and life sciences. So you can apply for this. Hope video informative to you. Those who are following TCS exam, TCS NQT series, best of luck. Okay, and best of luck for your test. Just give your best. I hope you will be selected, and if you have any query, you can ask me. Okay, you can also connect me on LinkedIn, Insta, WhatsApp, or whatever platform you are comfortable with. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी में. थैंक यू.